How to delete Grok Imagine videos. Running out of space or just want to clean up your Grok Imagine gallery? Here's how to delete videos permanently. Open Grok on your device and then click on this icon at the left side of the command prompt under the Imagine tab. So make sure that you are on the Imagine tab first. And then once you're on the Imagine tab, go ahead and click on this preview of your Imagine favorites. So click on this and you'd be able to find the Grok Imagine videos you've created. So click on the video that you want to delete. And then once you click on that video, this will take you into this section. So on this section, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of the video and then click on this delete post button. Choose delete and confirm and the video will be permanently removed from your account. Need to clear multiple videos? Use gallery management to select several at once and delete them together. And that's it. Update your app, select your video and delete with one tap. Keep your Grok Imagine workspace organized.